everyone, it's Dion. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing just a little simple New Year's Eve look that I put together here. First thing I do, as you already know, is I put on my eye primer, and I am using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So you got to always put that eyeshadow primer on, as I stated many times, so that your eyeshadow can last all day long. All right, nextly, I am using Makeup Geek shadow in Coco Bear. I have all my makeup shadows that I have right there in just a palette that I put together myself. All right, and nextly, I am using the Sigma brush to go ahead and apply that Cocoa Bear to my crease. I am using that as my transition color so that I can get all the colors to come together and appear to be one. I'm just speeding it up here so that we can move along. Because, you know, if you've seen one person put on some eyeshadow, you've seen another. So just blend it on out. Next, I'm using another color from Makeup Geek, which will be listed below because at this moment I can't recall the name of it. And I'm putting that I'm blending out the harsh line of the Cocoa Bear with that color right there. Oh yeah, that's a color Mocha. That's Makeup Geek in color Mocha. That's right. And again, I'm just brushing out those harsh lines. Next, my palette of the palette I'm choosing today to do my New Year's look is the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. And I am going to go ahead and take that color, that silver color, and it is called Heaven. And then later on, you will be seeing me use that same palette and going back in with that black, which is called Sabbath. Yeah, I really love the Saint and Sinner palette. That's a good one. I like those colors. They're beautiful. All right, and I'm using the Luxie brush to apply that Heaven silver color that I am using for this makeup look. Now, as I put on that black color in the Saint and Sinner palette, the Sabbath, it's called Sabbath, I am taking a smaller brush and I am applying that just in the outer corner of my eye and just bringing it in just in the crease. So I'm applying it in like a V shape on the outer corner, and then I'm just bringing it up into the crease so that I can blend it out into the creased area as well as on the outer corner, just to give it a deepened look. Now I am applying some glue to my eyelid so that I may add some glitter just to make the look pop a bit more. And I am using my BH Cosmetics glitter in the color silver. Again, I'm putting this all over just to make that silver color from the Saint and Sinner palette just pop a bit more. Glitter always makes your eyes just pop, and it's always fun to wear around the holidays. Glitter is life. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Just doing the other eye, same steps, putting on the glue and then the glitter. Now I'm using my Pretty Vulgar gel liner in black, and I am just adding a wing to both sides because a wing always brings out the look, especially for New Year's Eve, and I'm making it thicker so that it can really pop and stand out, because on New Year's that's what you want, for your eyes to stand out, because your eyes are the star of the show on New Year's Eve. All right, and for the video, I did already have my foundation and blush and highlight on already. I'm only working on my eyes in this video. So now I'm doing the other eye, putting the wing liner on this eye, the other eye. Now it's time for my lashes, which are from Shop Miss A. They are called Aria. Beautiful lashes for New Year's because they're really thick. And I'm just putting on my under eye eyeshadow and mascara. And then the very last step for this look is going to be the liquid lipstick, which I chose Shop Miss A liquid lipstick, metal liquid lipstick in a metal pink, but I wasn't really happy with that, so I added some of that Heaven eyeshadow from the palette and made my own lipstick. And that's it. Stay tuned for pictures. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.